Is your Nissan Sentra key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2013-2019 Nissan Sentra key fob, a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. The process is straightforward, and the success rate is above 95% based on online forums. The 2013-2019 Nissan Sentra key fob uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery that operates at 3 volts. This battery is widely available at electronics stores, auto parts retailers, and online. Using the correct CR2032 battery ensures proper function and prevents damage to your key fob. The battery typically lasts 2 to 4 years and must be inserted with the positive side up. For this job, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the key fob casing. A plastic pry tool is recommended to avoid scratches on the casing. Make sure you have a new CR2032 battery ready for installation. No soldering or advanced tools are required for this simple replacement. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of the key fob. This is where you'll insert your pry tool to open the casing. Next, gently insert a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and carefully pry the casing open. Work around the edges to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, you'll see the internal components. The battery is typically a CR2032 coin cell, secured by a plastic clip or metal contacts. Finally, carefully release the battery from the clip or contacts and remove it. Note the orientation for when you install the new one. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the diagram inside the fob. Ensure the battery is securely in place. This correct polarity is crucial to prevent damage. Snap the key fob casing back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Press the buttons on the fob to test its functionality. Check the door locks, trunk release, and panic alarm to confirm everything is working properly. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, it may need reprogramming. To reprogram, insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position 5 times within 10 seconds while holding the unlock button. This should resynchronize the fob with the vehicle's system. If this doesn't work, consult your vehicle's manual. Proper maintenance is key to extending your key fob battery's life. Always avoid exposing the battery to extreme heat or moisture, as this can lead to leaks and internal damage. The battery typically lasts 2 to 4 years, depending on how frequently you use the fob. Regular usage, like pressing buttons often, will drain it faster. For environmental benefits, opt for high-quality rechargeable CR2032 batteries. These can be reused multiple times, reducing waste and costs. When replacing batteries, recycle the old lithium ones responsibly. Proper recycling prevents harmful materials from entering landfills and supports sustainable practices. If you notice any corrosion on the battery contacts, gently clean them with rubbing alcohol and a soft cloth. This restores proper electrical connection and prevents further issues. By following these maintenance tips, you'll ensure your Nissan Sentra key fob remains reliable and functional for years to come.